What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a brand new day and we're about to bust out some more work on the Silverado. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to support the channel. Anyways, we got some good news. The fenders are finally in on the truck. Again, big shout out to Caleb for hooking us up with the fenders. They were just delivered to a body shop because we did have to use a forklift to get those unloaded. My brother's gonna be bringing those home in just a little bit. But for now, let's go ahead and jump on the interior, get the seatbelt and module installed and get that knocked out of the way. And hopefully we can get our fenders trimmed out and dialed in. So stay tuned and let's get to work. Alright guys, so we got both seat belts and the module installed. I got as much as the panels I could back together, but we are still waiting on the roof airbags. And once we get those in, we can pretty much complete the interior and give it a proper detail. But for now, let's go ahead and jump on the fenders. So those are right over here. Let's go ahead and package them and see what they look like. And we also got some headlights for the truck. Check these out. Let me know what you think of them down in the comments. Go ahead and show them what they look like. Hit the daytime running lights. Dang, that looks pretty good right there. Let us know if we should color match this trim right here and the grille with the rest of the truck, or leave them with that gloss black finish. I think it's gonna match the roof pretty good, especially if we get some wheels for the truck. And I think it looks pretty sick. Go ahead and flick the lights on. Ooh, I don't like that. We're definitely gonna have to upgrade that bulb. Get like a 65K watt or whatever you call it. Just give it like that super bright white LED. But for now, let's go ahead and unbox the fenders and check them out. Let's go. Ooh, I think we got a little damage right over here.
Right off the bat, eh?
Nothing that we can't take care of, bro.
I think you got one more zip tie on this side.
Where's that thing hiding at? Dang, these are some bulky fenders right over here.
Oh yeah, dude.
What about this one?
Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go again. A little bit right there, a little damage right here.
Dang, so this one's got a little bit more damage. There's like a little dent right here. And I think right here on the edge, there's a little bit of damage. And there's also a ding right over here. But you know what? That's something that we can take care of. And check that out right there too. We can take care of all this. Now let's go ahead and jump on and try to scuff the interior so we can get these trimmed out and get them on the truck. Let's do it. It's next day here, and before we continue working on the truck, I do have to paint this section right here on the Lexus and get the car ready for inspection. I am making a video on this car, but it's going to be a start to finish. So if you do want to see that, be sure to drop a like on this video right now. But anyways, let's go ahead and get the truck outside so we don't get any overspray on that. And then we'll slick this in, and then we'll be ready to jump back on the truck. Let's do it. Alright boys, we got the panel nice and clean. Let's go ahead and tack it and get some base coat. Let's go. Base coat's nice and dry. Now let's go ahead and slick it in with one coat of clear. All right, we got the Lexus painted. Paint job turned out a-okay. Now let's go ahead and jump back on the fenders. So last night we got all the interior scuffed down and sanded because I did want to trim the fenders out and get them on the truck. But since we do have a little bit of body work, we're going to go ahead and jump on that. So there's a little kink right over here. There's some damage up here, which we can get most of that out from the inside. Just need to work on this area right here. That'll be ready for filler. And then there's a damage right here and a little bit on this side. The left fender is actually not that bad. There's just a little bit of damage right over here. And I noticed something right here. And then the same thing with this edge. It's got a little kink in it. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and jump on with the D8. Get all this sanded just to find out if we don't have any extra small damages like that right there. All right, boys, so we got the fenders all prepped for body filler. Check this out. All the dents came out pretty easily because there's plenty of room to hammer those out on the inside. So let's go ahead and mix up some body filler, slap a very light layer on there. That's all it's gonna take. Most of this right here is just gonna get filled in with primer, and it's gonna All right, guys, so we got the fenders all ready for primer. The dents came out really smooth. Check that out. And then over here, I did trace out this little grinder wheel. The line is looking really straight. Sometimes you got to do what you got to do. But anyways, let's go ahead and get some primer going and prime the fenders in. Alright guys, that's a wrap for this episode. I know there wasn't that much progress done on the truck, but you know what? At least the fenders are 100% dent free now. With that said, thank you guys for all the love and support. And if you are new on the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification to support the channel. And if you enjoy these more consistent uploads, be sure to drop a like on this video. Follow us on Instagram at Danny.TV. The link will be in the description. Let me know your thoughts and suggestions down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end, and I'm out. I'll catch you in the next one.